The financial world is buzzing with anticipation as stock futures soar on the potential resolution of a historic U.S. government shutdown. But will this optimism last? Markets surge on shutdown deal hopes. Published on November 10, 2025, this Bloomberg report reveals a significant development in the financial markets. U.S. stock futures experienced a surge during early Asian trading, fueled by the possibility of ending the longest government shutdown in American history. The S&P 500 and Nasdaq 100 futures climbed over 0.5%, with Senate Republican leader John Thune's plan to gauge support for a targeted spending package at the center of attention. However, the outcome remains uncertain as Democratic support is not guaranteed. A delicate market balance. Despite the optimism, investors remain cautious. The recent tech stock sell-off has reignited valuation concerns, especially for Asian tech stocks, which have outshone their U.S. counterparts this year due to China's AI advancements. The lack of fresh economic data further complicates decision-making. As Kyle Rada, a senior analyst, notes, the market's fate hinges on the government's ability to end the shutdown. Controversial economic outlook. And here's where it gets controversial. Even if the spending package is approved, the shutdown's conclusion is not guaranteed. House Democrats' support is crucial, but they have been advocating for a one-year extension of Obamacare subsidies for low-income citizens as a condition for their cooperation. This political dynamic adds a layer of complexity to the economic recovery. Global market movements. Stocks. S&P 500 futures climbed 0.5% by 8:08 a.m. Tokyo time, while Australia's S&P ASX 200 gained 0.3%. Currencies. The Bloomberg Dollar Spot Index dipped 0.2%, with the euro and yen also slightly weaker against the dollar. The offshore yuan remained stable. Cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin and Ether prices increased by 0.6% and 0.5%, respectively. Bonds. Australia's 10-year bond yield inched up by 2 basis points. Commodities. West Texas Intermediate crude and spot gold prices saw minor gains. Corporate headlines. The corporate landscape is also making waves. Pfizer's acquisition of Metsera for up to $10 billion, outbidding Novo Nordisk, showcases the competitive nature of the pharmaceutical industry. Nvidia's CEO seeking more chip supplies from Taiwan Semiconductor highlights the ongoing AI demand. Additionally, Visa and MasterCard's potential agreement to resolve a long-standing legal dispute with merchants adds another layer of intrigue. As the world watches the U.S. government's next move, the financial markets hang in the balance. Will the shutdown end, and what impact will it have on the global economy? The coming days will be pivotal, and the implications are sure to spark debate. What's your take on this complex situation? Share your thoughts and let's explore the possibilities together.